Hi guys, how have you all been? This is Dokshing and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to review the available face shields in the market. These face shields are used by frontliners and non-frontliners alike to reinforce the protection that is being provided by surgical face masks. So, unsa man gyud ang mga available na mga face shields sa market karon? No, so unsa may barato ra, unsa man ang nindot kay baga ang shield mismo, and which ones are comfortable to wear. So those will be the focus of our discussion in this video, so stay tuned. This review about face shields is indeed timely because of the recently released memorandum by the Secretary of the Department of Transportation, Arthur Tugade, requiring individuals who will take public transportation to wear face shields. This will apply to those who will be riding on ships, airplanes, buses, and jeepneys. This memorandum is expected to be implemented on August 15. Probably some establishments might also implement as their policy to allow only individuals who will be wearing face shields to enter their establishment. So it is only right that we orient ourselves with the available face shields in the market. So before we proceed, let me clear it out that this is not an advertisement. I am not being paid to review the face shields, but it is only my goal to help you guys to decide which ones are the face shields that you would like to buy. Actually, we will be rating the face shields according to three parameters that I have enumerated, namely the fit, the quality of the shield, and lastly the cost. So sa fit, does it fit snugly to the wearer? Is it heavy or is it comfortable to wear? As for the quality of the shield, is it thick and durable? And does it provide an adequate visibility to the wearer? And lastly, does it provide a good coverage or protection to the wearer? We should know that a face shield should cover the entire face from the forehead to the chin and even extending below the chin, and also protecting the sides of the face. Dili lang kutob, no? Kaya lisod naman po kayo o kutob sa ears na medyo dako na gyud kayo siya. So probably here to the side of the face. So we will be rating the face shields at the end of this video. So I hope you would finish and watch this video all throughout. And another issue regarding this memorandum about face shields, some people are saying that this is anti-poor, to which I actually disagree. Why? Because ang giuna-una kita raman gihapon, ang ato raman gihapon kaayuhan kay dugang man nga protection para kanato batok sa kani nga virus nga gitawag nga coronavirus nga maoy nagakos sa COVID-19. I hope by now ang mga tao no and you guys have realized the weight of this problem, of this health problem that is attacking our country and the whole world as well. Dili gyud sayon ang COVID-19 nga disease. So we should do all means that we can to protect ourselves. As I said in my previous video, we should first protect ourselves so that we can protect our family and we can protect the community. So let's proceed with the review of the face shields. Hi guys, so this will be the first face shield that we will review for today. This is actually called the Goggle's face shield, and nindot siya, barato ra siya actually. You can order it online and you can also buy it from direct sellers at the hospital na nagbaligya ani around 70 pesos, na apoy nagbaligya og 90 pesos. So depende lang sa seller na imo matimingan og palit. So Okay, I think mauni ang edge aning face shield. So this thingy here, which gives it a snug fit for you when you wear it. No? And actually, it doesn't feel like you're wearing a face shield at all. It's like you're wearing a sunglasses or your eyeglasses because of this thingy right here. So, sa iyang face shield, so medyo soft siya. I think it is made of acetate. And then, compared to sa pagka-clear, no? Yeah, okay na siya ang iyang kuan. Dili kay siya ingon na magputi and makita ra gyud mo ang sa imong atubangan. And then, ang nindot gyud kay fit gyud kayo siya. Ang ako lang issue ani is I wonder if kung naa kay glasses gyud as maglisod ba ka. I'll try it. I have my sunglasses here. And then tanaw na to. Okay ra gihapon if you have eyeglasses gyud, no? So okay siya, nindot siya. And actually this is affordable ra gyud siya. So I think this is actually the best selling face shield. Kay kuan naman siya, barato ra gyud, less than 100. And I would advise if you order it online, order in bulk or order along with your friends para makabarato ra gyud ka. So kani siya okay na gyud ni siya sa budget, swak na ni and makaprotect na ni. So makaprotect siya, ang iyang protection diri is okay. So diri kutob. And then diri pud kutob and then naay clearance gamay. Okay, so this is a nice face shield, very affordable and okay, although dili gid kaayo gahi kay acetate man. And anyway, you'll be wearing mask so you don't have to worry about foggy. So okay ni siya nga face shield. By the way, before we proceed to the next face shield, kana nga face shield that I have shown in the picture, common pud kay na siya, and I believe same sila og quality with the Goggle face shield na ako'y actually nakita ana sa tindahan. Less than 50 pesos lang ang isa. Wala lang siya katong thingy for the nose, pero naa lang po siya foam, very soft band here that would give you a comfortable fit. So more or less same sila, pero ang edge lang yun sa Goggle face shield is katong sa nose. And for the acetate or the shield, acetate man to siya. So same pud sila o quality sa shield. So let's proceed to the next face shield. Ang next nato nga i-review guys nga face shield is the no pit face shield or visor. So this is actually called the shield. No, it is originally designed in Finland, made in China, and worn all over the world. So kaning makita ninyo sa picture, dili na siya ako, no, ni hulam lang gyud ko sa kong kauban kay ganahan kong musulay unsa man gyud ning no pit, no, kay medyo nindot gyud siya. And although sa katong first nato nga face shield nga gi-review, katong Goggle face shield, daghan mga artista nagwear, napoy mga artista nga nagwear aning no pit face shield visor. So nindot gyud siya. When I wore it sus tanawan ako kaya kong nisi, kay it's very fashionable, no. Actually daghan siya available na mga colors, na ay kana rainbow, na ay white, na ay black, no. So it's very fashionable and that's a very nice fit actually when I wore it. And the face shield is di na kaayo siya thick compared sa uban. Definitely thicker than the Goggle's face shield kay acetate raman to siya. Kani siya medyo gahi gyud siya compared sa acetate, but not as thick as the other face shields that we will be tackling in the next or in the later part of this video. And if you can see, the face shield or the face shield visor called the shield only extends until the upper part of the mouth. Ana siya, diba? And only extends the upper part of the mouth. I guess it's because they assume that you will be wearing your face mask. So dinha lang kutob, no? And it's very interesting because they market is as straight out of the future. So when you look at my picture, it really looks like you've been picked out straight out of the future. Kay very fashionable gyud siya. And it also has a thingy for the nose bridge, no? So nice gyud siya pod kay that provides a perfect fit. As for the cost, it costs $69 or around 3,500 for each face shield, and that is not including the shipping fee kay gikan pa man siya, it will be shipped abroad. So mo na siya, nice pud gyud kay nang no pit, kanang naibog gyud kay ko ana, although medyo mahal lang gyud siya, pero nice, very fashionable. And although my fellow doctor said nga kung makitaan ka na sa pasyente wearing that face shield kanang rainbow, dili ba daw ka ma-weirdan ang pasyente. So it's up to you kung kana imo gamiton sa hospital, pag rounds, or sa outdoor, outside of the hospital. Pero nice po gyud siya, although dili ra siya kutob. The next face shield that we are going to review is this one. The face shield that I wore in the introduction. So I got this from one of the hardwares that is kanang open naman good at time. And actually I do not know the name, but they just put it face shield. Actually I ordered 3 of this, and this is how it's packaged. So it costs 320 pesos. There. So pagpalit ani inanan na siya, and kamo pa mag-assemble sa face shield. So sige, ang fit ani nindot ni siya kay naa siya soft part diri na maoy mo touch sa imong forehead. So actually that part is comfortable, and it has an adjustment here so that you can turn it. No, you can turn it to fit the size of your head, kung dako kag ulo or gamay kag ulo. So nice sa jud siya. Aside from that, no, dili mo pud siya mahuslo kay naa man nga belt also. Okay? Nice sa jud siya. Comfortable actually. Pero medyo medyo bugat lang yun ni siya, nga type of face shield. And then baga po siya o shield. There, baga yun siya, baga. And it has a rim, metal rim na nindot pod for protection para dili kang masamad. And then for the coverage, kutob siya dali. Ang ako lang issue regarding this face shield, nice na siya. Actually, dagan po nagagamit ani. No? Although mas expensive siya atong Goggle face shield, nindot man po yun siya. Pero ang apan lang ani is ikaw pag yun mag-assemble when you buy this one. So wala, and ang kapait pag yun ana, there is no manual. No manual on how to assemble it. Oh, wala yun. Wala yun. Wala siya yung manual. So, tansyahan lang. Or imo lang sabto na. Sana siya ibutang. So, ikaw pa yung mag-assemble. And then, medyo more than 100 man siya. So, apit na mag 500. So, medyo mahal. Pero regarding the comfort, okay ra gyud siya. Nindot siya. If you are able to assemble it properly, okay ra gyud. So kaning pagka-assemble sa ako murag na ani siya depend siya pagka-assemble kay look mo paan siya, mo hit siya sa akong face, no. Murag na loose thread ni diri dapit, sige na nako gi-adjust, but mobalik ra gyud ang iyang ka loose thread, no. Okay ra ang iyang coverage, and then baga, and then okay ang protection. It's really acrylic, I think. And ato kung dili lang nimo mamao og kuan assemble button, so kani agwantahan na lang actually nako ni og adjust kay wala mo pud good manual pag kuan ani assemble, but very nice good siya po. Okay po siya. So watch out for the rating we will give this face shield at the end of this video. The fourth and last face shield that we will review will be this one. This is also a face shield I got for myself recently. And then, actually, usay ka po yan, nagid ko mag-face shield. So, what I do is, I wear goggles and I wear my surgical face masks or the N98 face mask. Wala na yun ako siya gigamit, actually. So, this is an acrylic face shield, no? So, baga po. Mga 2 I think ang gibutangan ni 2 to 3 millimeters ang iyang thickness, but mas more or less same ra sila ani of thickness. So this is acrylic, and it is also a band for your forehead, no belt on the overhead part, and then kani siya, you have this sort of shoelace here, shoestring for adjustment. Okay ra ba siya pag-adjust? At first, I thought mukuan siya matangdang dili ra. Okay ra siya. So it has screws here actually. Here. Wala lang na, it was this one was placed pag-package na. Kaya para dili siguro ma-scratch, and I chose not to take it off. So pag-wear, so, pwede nyo siya i-adjust actually. This one here. Okay? I hope you can see it. And then, ang nice po ani is, pwede rin mo siya ma-lift. Okay. Thick. Very good coverage. And then, very light. Light ragid siya. I just tried this acrylic face shield that I ordered with my fellow doctors online. I just tried it this week, and I realized kani ako ganahan na face shield of all. Why? Kay very light, very nice ang fit. Okay ra gyud ang fit. And then it is really clear. Clear gyud siya. To the point na sometimes makalimot ko, wala binuang. Sometimes makalimot ko nga naa day ko yung face shield. Kay grabe gyud siya ka clear. Nice gyud siya. And ang nindot pud ani is that madunggan ra gyud ka sa pasyente. Kani di ay siya, this previous one that we reviewed, baga gyud siya, which is good. Pero magsyagit gyud ka when you talk to the patients or sa imong mga kauban, kay baga makabara gyud siya sa sound. Barrier gyud siya sa sound. So napakay mask, napakani nga baga. Although kani siya, sakto ra jud siya. Magdungog ra gihapon mi sa akong mga kauban and sa mga patients when I talk to them. Dili parehas atong isang medyo magsigig usog, and then eventually sakit na gyud kaayo sa tutunlan kay kuan man mangusog man gyud ka mo storya. Ang kuan lang ani no, although costly gyud siya pod, mga 350 ni siya when ordered online. Sa online ra gyud ni order ron, and then with shipping mabutang na 430 ang isa ka piece mabutang of face shield. If there is an issue about this, kani ganahan di ko ani, pero na akong na issue is kani mo-create na siya og band. Dati siguro if hugot ra kaayo ang imong pag pero ganahan magukong nga di sakto lang pud ka hugot. Pero mo create yun og band. There is murag ni-create siya og band sa katong first picture. I'm going to point it kay tungod ani nga band. But this one is really good. Kanina akong ginagamit recently, kay nindot man gyud siya. So watch out for the rating that we will give this face shield. that's it guys. Nahuman na ang atong review sa mga face shields nga available sa market karon. I hope this video helped you a lot. Sa pagkakaroon, magsugod na mo huna-huna o mag-decide kung sa mga face shield or face shields ang inyong paliton. Kay daghan mo kay tay considerations, no, including the cost. But if kana ra gyud imong budget and you really need to make the most of your purchase, or you need to get the value of your money, so mas maayo nga mag-research on that. So I really hope this video helped you in that aspect. So mga reminders lang, so please clean your face shields before and after use with alcohol. So tissue with alcohol in your most especially in the inner part. And then if possible, if naapay budget, mas maayo ang naa sa hospital dito na nimo ibilin. And then kung you have multiple or you have a number of hospitals which you are working in or affiliated, mas maayo dito na lang para dili na magtabok-tabok ang kada face shield nimo, no? Dito one for each hospital kung mahimo. Remember guys ha, dili gyud ni anti-poor, kay dili gyud mahal tanan face shield, na gyud affordable ra, and naaga ni uban maghimo silang ilang own, and there are videos showing how to make your own face shield. So ingana lang yun na we need to protect ourselves. This is not an easy disease. Tapos wala na yung mga bakante nga mga beds for COVID sa mga hospital, and naapag yung mga lugar nga wala yung hospital that would be capable in handling COVID. So simba ko nakasalayo, tapos kailangan pa ka mo travel o layo-layo para makaadto nga hospital nga mo cater to COVID patients. Pero most of the time ang uban dili na gani makabiyahe kay ngano malibaran naman sila daan on first inquiry. So ingana, so protect yourself. So basin in the coming days magnihit na ning mga face shield kay mao naman gyud ang i-implement. So as I said, basin na ni mga establishment nga dili magpasulod if di ka mag face shield. So mas maayo magpalit na lang ka og sayo-sayo, mag-order with your friends para dili kaayo mahal ang shipping, and then it will be fun also nga same mo og mga face shield with your friends. So this is it guys. So this is it for me in this video. So I hope you click like for this video, and if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and also tick the notification bell so that you would not miss any of my future videos. I hope you would also share it to your friends so that they can also be assisted regarding their decision of the face shield to purchase. So have a great day ahead guys, and keep yourselves safe and healthy always.